My name is Steve. I am a project field coordinator, and I have been tasked with new installations of our playgrounds that are paid for with surtax. And we are at the Endeavor Elementary School. We did a pilot program of our soft tiles. What we are looking at doing is eliminating our mulch, which is decomposing in our playgrounds. It's causing many bug issues in our playgrounds. We're hoping to continue to move into all of our playgrounds, basically covering the fall zones. The lifespan of the soft tiles is approximately 10 to 15 years. And the unique thing about it is if one tile is worn out or gets damaged, we can come in and replace that one tile. And there's no decomposition from this like the mulch. It's very safe for the kids, and that's what we were looking at, is something to have a lifespan more than 2 years. We have a lot of playgrounds, so it's going to take some time to get this completed. Very thankful for our half-cent sales tax and what it does for our schools. And this money is allowing us to be able to replace these playgrounds.